the holidays here at EPCOT for 2019. And I'm going to send a letter to Santa Claus right now. Let's see if all my dreams come true, all my presents that I get from Christmas, right, Lovey?
You sure you're not on the naughty list?
No, I'm not. I don't think I'm on the naughty list. We're going to try a bunch of different foods, holiday foods, different drinks, see all the merchandise. That's going to be so cool. I can't wait. I'm so excited to see all the merchandise, even though I have some merchandise already. I have Olaf Backpack. Yeah, let's start the day. Oh yeah, we're gonna see the new costumes today. I know everyone's seen it already in California, but today's the first day for Princess Anna and Elsa, and we get to see their new costumes. I'm excited about that. We'll take you guys on the ride too, on the Frozen ride. So let's go.
Hi, I'm Katiana from Disney Theme Park Merchandise, and I'm here to show you all the Frozen fun merchandise that we have here today. First off, let me show off this sparkly jacket. This is a sequin jacket. It's actually from the girls department, and I wanted to show you that it has Anna and Elsa on the back.
So cute. I'm definitely getting that one.
So, and then here for the women, we have the Do You Want to Build a Snowman tee, which I'm also wearing, and then we have the Olaf leggings. Up top, we have the Anna Aqua ears headband that everyone is just obsessed with, and we share that obsession. Here we have our little cuddly plush. We have Olaf, Sven, and then we also have some new friends. This is Bernie the salamander. Olaf mug. So this Olaf mug is perfect for your coffee in the morning or your hot cocoa.
So cute, like his nose.
Yes, he's so cute. Then back here we have the Anna and Elsa dolls. And one of my favorite pieces that I wanted to show you is this Elsa snow globe. So it actually showcases her powers, and it has light, but most importantly, and my favorite part really, is these are not snowflakes, they're actually fall leaves. So pretty.
It is beautiful. How many are looking at the jewelry?
Speaking of beautiful, yes, the jewelry here. So we have Alex and Annie bracelets. So we have an Anna's charm, Elsa charm, and an Olaf charm. We have the magic bands on the back. We have Elsa, Olaf, and Arendelle Aqua, of course.
And that necklace.
And
necklace
this,
is gorgeous.
it's so beautiful. It's snowflake inspired.
So pretty. I want that one.
Up top here, we have the Frozen 2 travel costumes, Anna and Elsa. And these travel costumes are very close and inspired by what they wear in the film. We want to remind you that here at Walt Disney World Resort and also at Disneyland Resort, you can get transformed into Anna and Elsa at the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique experience. I definitely recommend you to check that out. Here, the deluxe doll
That
set.
is too much.
Wow,
That's
it's
too much.
incredible, and it's the perfect holiday gift. Speaking of perfect holiday gifts, I have one more to show you.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah, it's the Frozen Wish Castle. It is just so beautiful, and it actually plays sounds and lights up.
So adorable.
Oh, there it goes.
It lights up.
Yes, it actually plays a fireworks show.
We're gonna sell a lot of those for Christmas presents.
We're hoping to see it under
Imagine.
your tree. Well, thank you so much for joining me. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you
Make
so
sure to
much.
check out Walt Disney World Resort, Disneyland Resort, and shopdisney.com for all of this merchandise.
How exciting. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Oh, at the Kringle Bakery, they're gonna be selling this cupcake. Oh, it looks delicious. I want to see their new costumes. I'm so excited. Look, right now we're inside. Look at the fireplace.
That is the reason why you keep cutting me off.
I wonder if Princess Anna's upstairs. Look at the family portrait. How cute. You got an Olaf bag! Backpack. I love you, Olaf. You're my favorite. In summer. What a surprise to see you. You love summer, don't you? You love summer more than winter?
I snow up against the burning sand.
Yeah? You're not melting. Good, Olaf. Amazing. Thank you. Bye, Olaf. I'm fine. Right on that red part. Hi.
Skate right on in. Your beautiful frosted antlers.
Thank you. What a gorgeous look. I love your outfit.
Oh, thank you so much.
So pretty.
Yours is beautiful too.
Thank you.
Very festive.
Yes.
Olaf tried to learn all about our holiday traditions one time.
Uh-huh.
It's pretty fun. He even used a candy cane for the nose.
Oh, no.
Gave him a bit of a sugar rush, but he didn't seem to mind.
How do you like being a queen now?
Oh, it's wonderful. I feel like I'm right where I'm supposed to be.
Oh, yeah? Have you started planning for your wedding yet?
I'm excited to. We've just had a lot going on. I'm really excited to get to it soon.
A lot of planning.
Lots, definitely. I'm hoping there'll be some chocolate though to celebrate.
Yeah, I love your crown.
Oh,
Your crown is
thank you.
gorgeous. And your whole outfit, your new outfit, I love it. It's beautiful.
Very good. Yours is beautifuler.
Thank you.
I mean,
No,
just
yours is
more
prettier.
beautiful.
Yours is prettier.
Perhaps with some snowflakes in your hair, you just have too much chocolate already.
Thank
Thank you.
Enjoy meeting my big sister. She's
Oh,
kind
yeah.
of the best.
We'll see her. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Or you could find one.
Hello.
Of course.
Thank
I
you.
love your
No,
antlers
thank
that you have there. They're
Thank
very
you.
festive.
I love your dress. It's gorgeous.
Oh, well, thank you. I like the snowflakes on your dress.
Thank you. Match the glaziers.
Oh. Would you ever put snowflakes in your hair?
Yeah, I do.
Do you do?
Uh-huh.
Do they ever melt?
Yes, they do.
Oh, they do. You must have too much hot chocolate.
Yeah, I know.
That happens to my sister a lot.
Oh, yeah? And do you know any new secrets of the glaziers? Have you found any?
Oh, well, I guess you'll have to come sometime and visit the north, all right?
Okay, I'll visit.
Yes, that would be wonderful. We can have some hot chocolate. Or some
that'll be-
frozen hot chocolate.
Yeah, some hot, dark chocolate.
Oh.
85%.
Oh,
I
that
love
sounds
85%.
wonderful. Well,
It's a
we'll
lot
have
much better.
some dark hot chocolate and perhaps we could build a snowman too.
Oh, that'll be nice.
Yes.
And Olaf will be
Oh,
there.
well, of course.
Olaf
Oh,
Backpack.
yeah, hello.
Olaf is with us.
Oh, I like that bag. You must keep your chocolate in there.
Oh,
Keeps it
yeah.
nice and cool.
Yeah, as long as it doesn't melt.
Well, it
it'll
looks
make
like
a
it's made out of
mess.
snow, so it must keep it nice and cold.
True,
Yes.
true. That's you have a point.
I probably need to get my sister one of those. Her
Yeah,
chocolate's
you
always
should.
melting.
You should. She'll love it.
Well, would you like to freeze for a portrait?
Sure. Let's freeze. Oh, he's just videotaping. Thank you
very much.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, you too. Well, I hope we can build that snowman together sometime. And we'll have
Yes,
that dark
it'll be
hot
so much
chocolate.
fun.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Thank you. I totally forgot.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Come visit Arendelle. The gates are always open.
We will.
Goodbye.
Bye. That was so awesome, right? Love their costumes. Finn, Olaf. Oh, here are the new costumes. Like the ones that we showed you. They got the purse. Oh, this purse is so cute. Like, I would wear this purse. Look.
Let's keep walking. We gotta go to Francis.
They're gorgeous, these costumes, huh? Look at this, a coat. I mean, this is really pretty. The leggings, I like this costume. Oh, there's one right here. Is this the one she had on? Extra large. Yeah, she fit it. Huh? That's the one. I gotta try it on. I gotta try it on. Let's take the Olaf backpack. Olaf, you sit right here. Let's try this jacket. It's extra large. Hold on. Try. Fits perfect. Ta-da! It's so cute. I like it. It's adorable.
being here. Happy summer snow day from me to you.